भ्यू चिया बगानका मालिक अजित अग्रवालले कोरोना महामारीको यस गम्भीर स्थितिबीच दार्जिलिङ पहाडका स्थानीय बासिन्दाहरूका निम्ति खुलेर अघि आई लगातार रूपमा सहयोगको हात बढाइरहेछ। अघिबाटै अजित अग्रवालले दार्जिलिङ जिल्ला अस्पताललाई 1 करोड 10 लाख मूल्य बराबरको सिटी स्क्यान लगायत विभिन्न पहाडको संघ संस्थाहरूलाई स्वास्थ्य उपकरणहरू प्रदान गरी ठूलो गुण लगाएका छन् भने आज पनि समाजसेवी एवं कञ्चनभ्यू चिया बगानका मालिक अजित अग्रवालको छोराको नाममा पञ्जीकृत संस्था अमित अग्रवाल फाउन्डेसनको तर्फबाट प्लान्टर्स क्लबलाई 3 वटा अक्सिजन कन्सन्ट्रेटर लगायत अन्य 2 वटा संस्थालाई पनि 2-2 वटा गरी जम्मा 9 वटा अक्सिजन कन्सन्ट्रेटर प्रदान गरेका छन्। यसरी कोरोना महामारीको चपेटमा स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्रमा उस्तो खर्च बेहोर गर्न असमर्थ दार्जिलिङ पहाडको निम्न अनि मध्यम वर्गीय व्यक्तिहरूको समस्या र व्यवस्थालाई बुझेर अजित अग्रवालले दार्जिलिङ पहाडको आम मानिसहरूलाई यस महामारीको समय पुर्याइरहेको सहयोग सराहनीय रहेको छ भने अजित अग्रवालको यस सेवा कार्य प्रशंसनीय रहेको देखिन्छ।
About today's distribution of oxygen concentration.
Thank you. Today's the entire program was a program for establishing a bond with the residents of Darjeeling. We are basically in the plains and we have done a lot of charitable work in North Bengal and stretched up to Calcutta also. We were worried about this pandemic and we were visualizing the miseries and problems that the people of Darjeeling who were affected by this pandemic were facing because of logistical problems, because of the facilities not being available at your doorstep, and this was immediately put into action. And when the second wave brought in the shortage of oxygen into limelight, it dawned upon the president of the trustee that Darjeeling, being located unfavorably from the hills, would be facing difficulties in oxygen supply. So the first step which was envisaged and thought about by Amit Agarwal Foundation was that how could we supplement the oxygen supply in the hills. So then came the idea of oxygen concentrators. Now we know the advantage of oxygen concentrators vis-a-vis the oxygen cylinders. This can generate oxygen on its own. It is transferable. It does not lead to any contamination, and hence it is more safer than the cylinders.
Sir, this kind of program is first time in the hills. So because your trust has been established in 2007, no such program has been implemented in hills. So what is the reason, sir? Like you are concentrating only in the plains, sir?
Actually, Amit Agarwal Foundation, I'll give you a background of it. Before we started this in the hills today, from 1st of June, we established a 30-bed COVID safe home hospital at Siliguri, opposite North Bengal Medical College, because we found that there were no beds available there for the COVID affected patients. So as of today, as I said during the course of the the course of the get together, that the 30-bed safe home is absolutely full. It is fully equipped with oxygen cylinders. It has doctors on rolls who are supervising the health of the patients. All medicines are being provided. Free lodging, fooding is being provided. The entire treatment is free. So this is not the first time that we have taken up a cause to contribute towards containing this pandemic.
So any, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
please.
Yes. So any future projects in Darjeeling, sir?
Yes, if you would have read in the newspapers that our President Trustee Dr. Ajit Agarwal has proposed to donate a CT scan machine to the Darjeeling Sadar Hospital. And this, I think, is under review by the concerned authorities. So Amit Agarwal Foundation is committed to providing a CT scan machine, which is the need of the hour in the hills.